We're replacing this with this. They don't look anything alike. I think I want to try to just cut it here, reuse this for the port, and then I'll just try to tie on there, hook in there. We'll see how it looks here. Alright, so we cut that loose there. I think we'll bring it around and slide it in there. Shorten that up a little bit, reuse that port. Got that cut off. I cut that off down here too because it was way too long. We'll take a piece of 7/8 new copper, we'll bend it, we'll connect it from there to there. So just one bend, one connection. So there we got a 90. I have it fitted right there and there. I think I'll do something similar here on the discharge line so we can just reuse that. Probably cut it about there, flip it around. We'll just flip it around that way. It's a shame it's not just a little longer. Got this one fitted up there. We just used the spin swedge, and I just need to make me a piece to go from there to there. Fit it over there, and we're just going to come over this way just a little bit. I ended up shortening this up a little bit, keep this away from the cage. It comes up and down here, and just made a little offset bend. Alright, so we're going to purge these lines out with a little nitrogen. They're all sweat in. Got the dryer changed. Got our pressure switch back. Low pressure switch. We're holding on a vacuum. 390 microns. We're about the charger. We got to put the fan motor back in. I had a bad fan motor as well. Coil's been cleaned out. We're about ready to rock and roll. The old compressor just had spades that pushed on there. New compressor. Gonna come with a new plug. On the end of the wires that come with it, if we can get it to focus there. You can see it says L2, there's L1, L3 on the wires. Same here. T3. So we'll just do the wires one by one. Feed our plug in there. Let's pull these through here. Then we'll feed these through there. And first one is T1. Second one is T2. Imagine that. So the third one, by power deductive reasoning, has to be T3. So the light gray is the 2, the black is the 1, so the darker gray is going to be the 3. Beautiful. Alright, so we got it wired up, we got the crankcase heater in there. Now every time I got to retrofit a scroll for a recip, the crankcase heater is way too long, even when they send a new one. What do you guys do? I just put a self-tapper in there to hold this side and a zip tie from there to the bolt. Also, I didn't like how that wire was close to there, so I zip tied to the line and then zip tied the wire and then second zip tie. Make sure nothing burns into. We just got to put our fan back in. Fan motor's in. Everything's wired up, tidied up. She's running backwards. So we'll just switch any of those two. We'll be good. So we switch those two. Now we will try again. That sounds way better. And we're actually pumping now. That fan seems to start up a little slow though. We might need to check that capacitor. That might be why she started up a little slow. So, we just need to reverse those. Right now it's white to white, black to black. Just unplug it, flip it around, now it's white to black, white to black. Now, let's see if she does. It still seems to start a little slow. We'll check microfarads here. Well, if we can get it on there, get it on there. Oh, she's weak. Okay, well we need a new capacitor. Found another one, this time this one's in a box. The other one's got put back on the shelf by mistake. New cap in place. So hopefully third and final time here. Much better. Alright, we're going to put panels back on here and head to the next one. Let us know if you learned anything. Let us know if we did something wrong. Maybe not. Probably did lots wrong. We'll see you all in the next one.